Welcome. In front of me I have LENOVO Tab P11 and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard. You have to go for Play Store, tap search pool and type Apple green keyboard. This one, click install. Next open. Tap to enable in the settings and it will be automatically moved to the settings. You have to tap on the switcher into the green Apple keyboard. Click OK 2 times, then just simply go back for our application and switch input methods. So switch right here and it's, as you can see, it's finished. So tap finish and then just turn off this application. And right now when you open the message, oh no, maybe we can open the Play Store and here we get the keyboard. As you can see, it changed. And take a look how it looks in the portrait mode. There we got the keyboard. It looks really similar to the iOS. And here we got also the widgets. So, and that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.